supply crunch in liquefied petroleum gas, or LPG. The government has said the situation is under control, but concerns remain. A senior official in the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has said panic buying has eased and that there is no shortage of supply across the country. At an inter-ministerial briefing, Sujata Sharma, Joint Secretary in the Petroleum Ministry, said there is no widespread shortage across the country. However, she acknowledged that the situation remains, quote, worrisome, even as domestic LPG production has increased.
आज की अपडेट में सारी refineries are operating at highest capacity with adequate crude inventory. Domestic LPG production लगभग 40% तक पहुंच चुका है. रिटेल आउटलेट्स पर कोई ड्राई आउट नहीं है और sufficient stock available है. There is an increase in the production, and this increase in the production is a combined effort of upstream companies like ONGC, GAIL, Oil India, and the refineries. The refineries of public sector, private sector, and JV. So all these refineries have contributed to the increase, and अभी हमारी स्थिति self sustainable नहीं है. We still require certain imports, और इसी स्थिति को मैनेज करने के लिए ये सारा रैशनलाइजेशन किया गया है ताकि डोमेस्टिक कंज्यूमर्स को लंबे समय तक विदाउट एनी इंटरप्शन सप्लाईज को इंश्योर किया जा सके. Diversification, yes, all the efforts are on. We have already done in case of crude. In case of LPG also the efforts are on. In case of LNG, already we have a big, basket from where the products are taken. As on today, these are all commercial, decisions of the company. I cannot share that, from whom it is taken.
India, the world's third largest oil importer, has been impacted by disruptions in energy shipments through the Strait of Hormuz following the US-Israel-Iran war. Meanwhile, supplies of liquefied natural gas from Qatar could also face disruptions after recent strikes on energy facilities. India depends on Qatar for around 41% of its LNG imports.
LPG के अंदर दिक्कत यही है कि हमारा एक बहुत बड़ा import का quantity was coming from Middle East. कल भी मैंने आपको कहा कि लगभग 47% सिर्फ कतर से ही आ रहा था. तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं ये इम्पैक्ट करती हैं हमें, और सब डाइवर्सिफिकेशन के सभी एफर्ट्स लिए जा रहे हैं.
For now, officials say supply lines are being closely monitored, even as global energy trade is under threat due to the war in West Asia.